Hello friends, Tanya here for Trinity Stamps, and today I am doing a product close-up for the Blooming Circle window die set. This is a two-piece die set that can be used in 3 different ways. There is the single inner die that creates this cutout window with some debossing around the circle and inside the floral images. If you want to create a single die cut to layer, you can use the larger die to do a matte or a background piece die cut, and if you use them together you will get this complete circle. You just set the inner piece inside the frame piece, tape those together carefully so you have an even border, and this is the delightful piece that you get when you cut those together. Again, has some debossing in the circle and in the flowers. Here's what they look like when they are layered together. It does create a nice background with extra stability and a perfect match to the die cut frame. Here are a couple of projects that I created using this product, and one created by Jeannie, another of the design team. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment to do that now. If you are interested in this die, check that description box below for links to the product. Until next time, here are a couple more videos that we thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.